today I am so excited because we are going to be talking all about holiday gift sets. Oh my god, this is like one of my favorite times of the year for makeup. Really Christmas time and then January, because in January we get like a lot of new releases, especially in the drugstore because it's a new year. But the holiday time always brings amazing holiday gift sets, and this is like my favorite time of the year to just go to Sephora and Ulta and look at everything that they have and get stuff for my family and friends. So I already did a holiday gift guide on my channel, which you guys will have seen. If you have not, I will link it on the screen here. But in my gift guide, I didn't focus it on beauty. I tried to do a range of different gifts that you could give to people, because obviously I know not everybody that you're buying gifts for is interested in beauty products. But for today's video, I wanted to focus it totally on beauty and focus on the best holiday gift sets that I could find. I did a lot of research, ran around to Sephora and Ulta and different retailers, and kind of pinpointed what I thought were the cutest and like best gift sets for 2018, because there's a lot of them, so it can definitely get overwhelming. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so the first holiday gift set that I have been loving is the Laura Geller Dripping in Gold Illuminator Palettes. So this is a $55 value, although it's retailing for $32, and it actually comes with a little hook up here, so you could like hook this onto your Christmas tree like as an ornament, which would be so cute and an adorable little surprise for like somebody as they were coming down for Christmas morning. Or you could definitely throw it in a stocking as a stocking stuffer or a regular gift under the tree. But this is really cute because basically you're getting 3 of her highlighters, and if you're not familiar with the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Illuminators, grr, you gotta familiarize yourself with them because they're amazing. I love these highlights. Let me open it up so I can show you. They're super pigmented, super beautiful, and the fact that you can get 3 for $32 is great, and it comes in this little palette. They are not completely full-sized. Like if you were to buy them separately, they would certainly be bigger, but this is a really good pan size, especially for highlight. This will definitely last you a really long time, and you do get those different options. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys with the top of this, but I actually love this, and this would be super great to travel with as well because it gives you 3 different highlighters to work with, but it's all like compact into one palette. So I thought that this was super beautiful. You get Molten Copper, Gilded Honey, which is my absolute favorite right here, and French Fizz, but like these highlights are no joke, you guys, okay? So I thought this was super cute. And I love too how the packaging does have like this little guy and stuff, because honestly with gift sets, I feel like as important as it is to get a great value and that it's a good product, the packaging is super important on gift sets as well, because it's supposed to be cute and it's gonna be a gift. It's not just something that you're buying for yourself. So I am a sucker for cute packaging, especially around the holidays, and this was really cute. Up next we have Tarte, and now every year Tarte does like this big kind of like collector set thing where it kind of looks like a storybook, and you open it up and it has like a bunch of different stuff inside of it, and those are always really great gift sets. But this year I was a sucker, honestly, for this pineapple palette. Like this is so cute. It's not actually called the pineapple palette. It's called the Pineapple of My Eye Collector's Set. So I mean, I was close enough, but I think this is adorable. I really love it. It makes me want to go somewhere tropical in the middle of winter, which I also love. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. So you get a bronzer, 2 blushes, a highlighter, and then all of these different shadows here. There's a little plastic protector to separate them, but then you get a nice mix of both matte and shimmer shadows, and Tarte's eyeshadow formula is really nice. And that's a lot of shadows. It is 24 shadows, I just counted them. But this actually comes in a collector set, so it comes with a deluxe size lipstick from them, a deluxe Light Camera Lashes mascara, as well as a deluxe Tartiste liner. So they are saying on their website that it's a $354 value for $59 is what it's going to be retailing for. So I really liked this year, but Tarte does normally kill it around the holidays with their sets, but this one was my personal favorite this year. And if you're looking for something smaller, another thing that I want to include, because I kind of wanted to include sets that were at different price ranges, this one I thought was really cute from Tarte as well. So this is a $48 retail value for $28. So you're getting less of a value, I would say, with this, but it is a smaller price point. And this comes with 4 of their liquid sea glasses. So these are really nice. I like them a lot. I will open it up and show you. So this is what you're getting inside. These are liquid eyeshadows, and they're super glittery and beautiful. I'll go ahead and swatch one of them for you. This one is in the shade Sweet Life. Love the packaging on them. Ooh, I just like messed it up, sorry. But this is what it looks like. So pretty and shimmery. These are really beautiful, and they make doing like a really stunning glittery eye look so easy. So I thought this set was super cute, especially if somebody really likes makeup, likes glitter. This would probably be something they would really enjoy, or you could do it as a stocking stuffer or just a smaller gift for somebody on your list. Up next we have Tatcha. They had a lot of cute sets this year, and thank you so much to Tatcha for sponsoring today's video. But they have some super cute holiday sets that are exclusive to Tatcha.com. I'll have a link to them down below, as well as links to everything that I talk about in this video. But I have 3 sets from them that I thought were super cute. The one that was my personal favorite is their Blushing Lips Duo. So I have that one right here. First of all, they're packaged super cute, so you wouldn't even really need to wrap these, which is A+ in my book, because I hate wrapping gifts. I'm always doing that. December 24th at like 9 p.m. at night, I am wrapping everybody's gifts. Is that anybody else? Because that is me. So these don't even really need to be wrapped, but in this one, what you're going to get is you get their lip mask, which is amazing, okay? Basically every product that I've used from Tatcha is really, really good. They're a Japanese-based beauty brand and their products are amazing, especially their skincare products. I really enjoy all the ones that I have tried from them. But you get a lip mask as well as this little nourishing lipstick, and it is in the shade Peony Blossom. Like, see how pretty that is? It has like diamond embossment on it, beautiful. But this is the shade that you get. It's super nourishing, super pretty. So love, love, love this set. I thought it was super cute. So if you have like a skincare junkie or a beauty junkie, I think this would be great for them. They also have this set. This is the Calming Treasure set, and this is super, super cute as well. And in this set, you get a full size of their Soothing Body Butter as well as their hand cream, which would be amazing going into the winter months because obviously everybody gets super dry skin. And like I said, their skincare products are top notch. So this is a super cute set as well. And they have a cute little lipstick trio. So you get 3 of their silk lipsticks. And this is what that one looks like. Super cute. So we'll go ahead and swatch them so I can show you guys. So you get a little mini Peony Blossom, which we already swatched. Then they have Sunrise. This is like a pretty plum shade. Their lipsticks are so hydrating. Like, I hope you can see on my hand, like how hydrating they are. And then we have a red shade, which looks super pretty. I have never tried this one. Ooh! She is cute though. Love, 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 love that red. So you get 3 kind of different options. You get more pinky, more neutral, and then more red. And those lipsticks have 23 karat gold in them. Like, okay. I feel like when I buy gold, I get like 14 karat gold because that's like the cheaper one. Meanwhile, the lipsticks have 23 karat, like no big deal. So like I said, I have a link to all those gift sets down below. So just click down below to check them out. Up next, we have NARS. NARS had a really big holiday collection this year. And one thing that really stuck out to me was their cheek palette, which I was kind of surprised about because NARS comes out with cheek palettes all the time. I feel like they are really, really known for their beautiful blushes and beautiful bronzers and stuff. So they have a lot of cheek palettes and normally I don't get like super excited over them, but this one I was like, okay, that is a really, really beautiful. So this is in the shade Hot Triced, but the packaging on this is different than their normal cheek sets. It's really, really pretty. This is what the outward packaging looks like. Like that is enough for me to be a sucker for it because it's so pretty, but inside I loved the shades. So this is what you get on the inside. So, so beautiful. You get 6 different shades. These all look super, super stunning. We have a mix of like highlighters. This one could even be used as a bronzer, blush. And I find with a lot of their cheek palettes, I can definitely use things for multiple purposes. Like some of these could be used as a highlighter and a blush, but super, super pretty. And like obviously NARS products are super pigmented and beautiful. I'm sure you guys already know that, but this definitely caught my eye. I thought this was really, really beautiful, different from the other cheek palettes that they've put out, and I really liked it. Up next, we have Ofra. So they came out with a lot of holiday sets this year. 2 of them in particular stuck out to me as super, super cute. These are also packaged really adorably. The first one is 4 of their liquid lipsticks. You guys know I love their liquid lipsticks. Like, they're amazing, but I thought this set was super cute. You get 4 different liquid lipsticks, and it's only $20. And it says it's a $36 value because they are not full size, but like, come on. These are super, super cute. You get a red, kind of a nude, a deep dark plum, and then a more pinky shade. So I really like this, and for 20 bucks, I think it's a great stocking stuffer. So loved this one. This, like I said, they do have a lot of different options, but this one stuck out to me. And then another option from their holiday sets that kind of intrigued me was this one. So this is $25 compared to $36 value, and in this one you get 2 liquid lipsticks and a highlight mini. So you get more of a nude and then more of like a plum liquid lipstick, and then in the center you get this little highlight. This is Rodeo Drive, which is actually my favorite highlighter from them, and this is what it looks like. I mean, that is a good size highlight. This is a full size highlight for many brands. Ofra's highlights are just actually really big, but this will definitely last a really long time. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlight, so I thought that was super cute as well, and that this little set was adorable. So love that. And I do have an affiliate code with Ofra. It's Kelly30 if you guys are interested in getting anything from them. And lastly, I have some stuff from Pure. So with their winter set, which I thought was really cute, they came out with like a Grinch theme, which I loved. I love the Grinch. The only holiday movie that I like more than that is Elf. That's like my personal favorite, but the Grinch I really like too. This set I thought was absolutely adorable. So what this is it's a 4-piece mask sampler set, but if you guys can see, the masks are actually little Christmas balls, which is just like the cutest thing in the world. And each individual mask does come in its own package, like inside of the bigger one that has 4. So you could buy this and then give it to 4 different people, or use it as like 4 stocking stuffers, or you could give somebody the entire set. But each set has a different mask and they are packaged in little Christmas balls. Like, how cute is that? Like, I just thought that was the cutest little idea. If you guys see, this one is like gold glitter inside, but super, super adorable. Loved the packaging and how they kind of presented this, and loved that each individual mask was packaged separately so that you could buy it and use it as a stocking stuffer for different people and stuff. And the box even has little to and from parts that you can write in like on them. Like, how cute. So I did really like this. If you're interested in which masks, one of them is a moisturizing mask, one of them is a brightening peel off mask, one is pore tightening, and then one is a clay mask. So you do get those 4 different masks inside of this. So I thought that was really, really cute. And then last but not least from them, I loved this brush set. I feel like Pure is very underrated when it comes to brushes. I never really hear people talking about their brushes, but I think their brushes are great. And many of their brushes I use like every single day, like my highlight brushes from them, and some of my eye brushes that I use regularly as well are from them. They really do make great brushes, and I thought that this set was super cute. So inside you get a powder brush, a shadow brush, a crease brush, a concealer brush, and a liner brush, as well as a bag to put them all in. And let me take out to show you the brushes themselves because they're super cute. So the brushes themselves are gold and white, which I love, and then this is the little bag that they come in. And their brushes are super duper soft. Oh my god, like I promise you guys will not be disappointed. They're great. And then one other gift set that I did want to highlight as well. My Sephora didn't have it this year, which I was kind of upset about. I was gonna drive to another one to try and get it to show you guys for today's video, but I figured I could just talk about it. Every year Sephora comes out with like a fragrance set where basically you get like a bunch of different mini perfumes, and then you get a gift certificate for a full-size perfume. I always think that's a great gift option. I literally end up buying that probably every year for at least one of my friends, because buying perfume for somebody can be hard because I feel like that's such a personal thing and people like different scents, but that kind of gives them an option where they get these little minis. I think last year they did one with roller balls where you got like 5 different roller balls and then a gift certificate to get a full-size perfume at Sephora. So it kind of gives them the option to be able to like test out different perfumes and see what they like and then get that. So that's a gift set that I do always love. I was kind of upset that mine didn't have it. I like looked around and then I saw that they do still make it because it's on their website, but you can get it on their website or hopefully your Sephora store will have it in store. But I always think that's a great gift option as well, and a little more personal than just giving somebody like a Sephora gift card. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys did enjoy. Definitely let me know down below which holiday gift sets you have your eye on. I would love to hear. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!